In the last episode, we cut a massive hole in our van to install the window, but because we live in this van full-time with no insulation, the summer heat turned our van into an absolute oven. It was time to find a place to cool down, so we hit the road. So we are going to our next destination because earlier we find a place to stay overnight, but when we get there, there's like smells pissed.
Yeah, it smells like a latrine.
Yeah.
Someone obviously dumped all their piss out into the parking lot. It was really, really bad.
I know. Yeah, that's why now we're going on our next overnight parking.
Look, this
This is our new parking lot. Trail of the riverbank. So we're just alone here. We stayed here for the night, but we get up early to find a new lay-by to start building.
We're right by a busy road right now. We just got to this lay-by, and look at what people do to England. What the frick is this, man? If you look back through there, you can see a giant trash bag that someone just threw over there. Like, what kind of scum does this? I just don't get it. It just ruins it for the rest of like campers. And then just look on the other side of this fence. You know, it sickens me. I know that this happens probably in every country except for like Japan and Singapore or whatever. But I just don't get the mindset when there's basically free recycling centers that you can use in almost every town. It's just bizarre to me that anyone would want to besmirch how beautiful this valley. I mean, look at this. It's beautiful countryside. And so I was like, nah, take some trash. Let's fuck it up. So today I am putting up some of the framing for the walls, and that's going to give us an idea of exactly how the rest of the sheathing for the walls and the counters, etc., how they will attach. Basically, it's framing. And I'm actually using nut sets. I don't know if you can see that. Basically, I use a tool that goes into the pre-existing holes. I will have to make a few extras, but these are M6 holes. So now what I'm doing is I'm just marking spots on this wood where the bolt marks should go. So now I'm going to be transferring those marks that I made onto this to make the screw holes, the bolt holes rather. And that will allow the bolt, just like that, to go all the way through. That doesn't quite fit on there. So I'm just gonna shave that down, no big deal, and then I'll put it back. You can see there's a big gap if I make this flush. And then I'm just gonna foam all this. I've already foamed a little bit. So I'm not sure if you can see that, but I put in a little backer plate between these two, and then all the sort of strange gaps that are created by this uneven metal behind there. Just fill it up with foam so that things don't rattle around. Curving in and up like this, which is basically the shape of this van. And we're on our way. We got 2 members. We just have, I don't know, probably 16 more to go.
He put up the rest of the framing, put the side panel back on without insulation. Since we still have a bit more planning to do, we also set up a temporary counter that will be easy to remove when we are ready to insulate. As the sun started going down, we decided to wrap it up and call it a day just as a beautiful sunset hit the lay-by.
Yeah, we're in Hull. We crashed this bridge. I think it's called the Humbert Bridge. Mm-hmm. And we went north, and we were in the right lane, and there was no toll booth. And I found out that there's a toll because I looked to the left and there's people paying a toll. So now I have to figure out a way to pay online, blah, 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 blah. But just beware.
We are feel fresh. We just take a shower for almost a week. You don't take a shower for 1 week.
I don't need a shower.
Yeah, he doesn't need it. I need it. I'm a woman. So this is where we're going to stay overnight. And this is the parking lot. This is our view. It's pretty. We ended up staying here for 3 nights, but a van without insulation in the middle of the summer is basically a sauna. After making a plan on what to do next, we needed to keep moving. We found a lay-by near the North York Moors National Park in North Yorkshire, England. So we are here in our next parking, which is basically in a lay-by, and this is our view.
Pretty epic.
Look at that. It's really pretty. Before we've been seeing sunset in the beach, now we see it in the mountain.
Well, I don't know if this is the mountains, but
Look like a mountain. We found this stunning spot just in time for sunset, made a quick dinner, and relaxed for the rest of the night. So I'm making shakshuka.
she calls me Buga all the time, guys. I tried to call her Gaga, but she says, even though did you know that there's a pop singer called Lady Gaga? What's wrong with that?
Well, when the man is saying gaga to a woman, it's so disrespectful.
What does it mean?
Something. I don't want to tell you because you're going to tell me that.
No, I would never. You're my Lady Gaga. Guys, you didn't see that on camera, but she just hit me.
So we are on the way on the waterfalls, which is in
We're basically by the North York Moors National Park, a little bit to the east of that, headed towards some town by the sea. And on our way, there's a waterfalls that we're gonna check out. Good job, Bugo.
There's a car behind us. So we get in and we go into the waterfalls. So we did park there and we're going all the way to there. We are on the way to waterfalls.
You're winded on the way down?
It's really hurt in the knee, you know, because you need to do your weight. Lift your weight, yawa kayo. We are near and we can hear the water now. Literally. Oh! We finally made it to the trail. The path takes you right by this small river leading up to the waterfall. There were quite a few people there, but seeing the waterfall up close was amazing as the water felt so crisp and refreshing. So we saw this lodge. What is it called?
Yeah, it's a log.
It's a log and full of coins. I don't know what does that mean, but I don't know.
Yeah, basically they feed it with water from a fountain where people give their coins, and then all those coins get absorbed through the roots.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's cool. I thought there's like a big waterfalls, you know.
Well, it is kind of like the end of summer, so the spring rush isn't quite there.
Yeah, but it's still pretty cool, and the water is kind of cool. You know, it's like icy, something.
Yeah.
But I'm still sweaty. I don't know where we are right now because we still keep going.
You know what's really scary? We don't even have cell phone signal.
I don't care.
So basically,
I'm
we
not
could die out here.
I'm not that stupid. I know my way back.
We came from over here, and now there's the opportunity to go up to this road, back to our parking spot. There you go. It's clearing to the water.
Go to the water. Tabi-tabi. Do you know what tabi-tabi means? There you go. Oh, it's really cold.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like ice.
There's a shallowish area over there.
Okay. Just wanna wash my, because it's really hot. Okay, I'm done.
That's it?
Yeah. You go back.
Okay.
If it's Ella and Nika is here, they're probably going to jump there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So we are in the bottom there and we go up here in a hill. It's killing me.
Yeah, there's probably like 100 steps at least.
But it's actually a good view. Look at that.
Yeah. Not a bad view. Can you imagine if we're on one of these trails and like a record label producer heard you sing and he's like, I want to give you a bunch of money so that you'll never sing again.
Don't tell me it's not worth fighting for. After the waterfall, we kept following the path along the river all the way back to the top. The views up here were incredible as we made our way back toward the parking lot. So we already done in the waterfalls and we are going to Whitby, which is near to the, what is it, beach?
It's near to the Eastern Sea.
In the Eastern Sea, and yeah, that's it. In the next episode, our trip to Whitby takes a sudden turn when we hunt down van supplies, camp on a beach, and chase sunsets at a castle. If you enjoyed this journey through the Moors, make sure to click that subscribe button, leave a comment about that lay-by rubbish, and we will see you in Whitby.